Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today video is optitex 3D dummy fitting. So pattern make done, wall size grading done, just dummy fitting correct or non-correct. So dummy loot now. So parts mention front part 3D loot now. This curve front part 45% curve, then back part, so back part curve now. So curve percentage just, so all parts 3D loot now. So front side panel loot now. Waistband loot now. 75% curve. So dummy load, just minute wait. Dummy load now. Then full skin, just look me, stitch accurate stitch. Just stitch check now. So position correct. This parts check now. Just stitch check now. Side cm, then in cm, then back rise, front rise. So front side panel, okay. Just stitch check now. Waistband, okay. So bottom loop, then bone pocket, everything is okay. Full skin look now. My parts done, so okay. Then position, so correct position make now. So up down, so left side, then right side, so up, so down, right position. Just play, wait just minute, then make stitch joint 1 minute or 1.30 minute. Just wait now. So fabric colors mention, so any color, which color, so any color mention, no problem. So like color, then okay. Okay, my dummy fitting okay, so east is okay, dart okay, so side east is okay, pocket okay. Next color, okay, so any color done, just open. So okay, black color, very nice. My east is color white, so any color, just open, color click, just open. So my channel, subscribe now, then next video notification on auto. So everything okay, stitch okay, pattern okay, dummy fitting okay. Welcome next video, so bye bye, tata.